doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you.
1, 2, 3.
Hello mga bes!
Today is Lu's birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Today is a sunny day.
It is.
Yeah.
We didn't expect it to
It's
be a sunny
amazing.
day.
It's a
Yeah, it's a
blessing.
blessing for Lu. We are here in Lago Vista, Texas on a girls' road trip. Right now we are at
Highland
Hi-
Grille.
Yeah, Highland Grill or Grill at Highland Lake. Near the Airbnb weird.
4 minutes away from
Udoscape, yes. So we are having Lu's birthday lunch, and while we wait for our lunch, we thought we'd like to say hi.
Hi!
Hi to you guys, and
Hi.
thank you for the 4,000 views
Yay! 4,000!
on our YouTube channel.
Views!
Thank you guys for your support.
Yeah. I hope you subscribe.
Yes, because that's all we need to get there with you.
Like and
Birthday gift for
subscribe.
me. Subscribe
Yeah.
our channel.
Thank you, subscribers!
Yes, so please like and subscribe our content if you
If you like our videos,
Yes.
Our videos.
if you like our content,
Subscribe to our channel.
and you can comment down below if you guys want other types of content from us. Basically, we like to do Airbnb tours, we like to travel, we like to eat,
restaurant,
Travel around
restaurant
Texas.
reviews.
experience
Yes.
a lot of things in
best
Texas.
experience.
Yes, and and as you can tell, we're about to eat again. So
Waiting for the
love food reviews. So I hope you guys enjoy our content, as we love to make and edit these videos. And yeah, any adventure that we may have. We have a lot of
We encourage
stuff.
you to subscribe.
Yeah. Yes, please. And your mom and your dad.
And your ates and
Make
your kuya.
an account.
Yeah. Thank you again for the support, guys. And
thank you
we
so much.
appreciate it.
We read your comments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We wouldn't be here doing as many as videos as we can without your support and encouragement. Yeah.
And I
we
think
love
this-
what we're doing
yeah.
and sharing it with you.
I think this June, it is the 2nd of June today, we have been YouTube vloggers, if you will call, for 6 months. So we have half a year to go to get there. So we would really, really appreciate your support, and thank you for all that you've already done.
Subscribe na.
Para na.
So the agenda for today is eat, chill, eat again.
No, we don't care. Okay.
So these things that we're walking on are floating. So it's a little bit. Yeah, me too. I'm like.
I'm Ardi.
I'm Lou.
And I'm Zein. And as always, don't forget to sprinkle kindness.
Share the love.
Live in the best
Life.
Bye.